Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the switch and making sure it has enough battery or is plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Next, back up any saves using Cloud Backup or copy important screenshots to microSD because Factory Reset erases data. Once done, sign into System Settings with your Nintendo account so you can deactivate or unlink if needed. Now navigate to System Settings System to start the reset process. This first actionable step moves you from preparation into execution. You scroll to System Settings, then choose System and open Formatting Options. This is where you make the main choice. Select Initialize Console to erase everything, or pick Initialize without deleting save data if you only want to reinstall system software. Choose based on whether saves are backed up. Confirm prompts, enter your parental PIN or account credentials if requested, and then accept the final warning. The console will reboot and run the reset. Let it finish without powering off to avoid corruption. You complete the process by letting the switch restart and then following the on-screen setup to recreate user profiles and relink your Nintendo account. This restores functionality. Once set up, restore saves from Cloud Backup or transfer screenshots and videos back from microSD. If the console becomes unresponsive or the reset fails, enter recovery mode. Hold volume up plus volume down plus power to attempt a full initialize or system update. If issues persist, contact Nintendo support for guided help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.